Why one call to action in email? In this video, I'm going to tell you why one call to action in email, right? There are certain people, who want to make sure when they are writing the emails to their audience, email audience, they want to make sure that, these audience do every single thing which they want these audience to do. But you need to understand that when you have an email marketing list, you have to sell to them, right? And you can't sell that particular product and services to your email audience without being their friend, right? So if you want to become their friend, you need to behave like a friend, right? You can't always give them order that, follow me on Twitter, follow me on LinkedIn, follow me here, follow me there, follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube. You can go and watch this video. You have to subscribe to this particular channel. You have to buy this particular product. You can't do like that, right? If you want to become a great email marketer, you need to understand that when you give one call to action, in that time people will take the action. But if you give 3, 4 or 5 or 6 call to action, in that time people will confuse and they don't take any action on that email. So that's why always have one call to action. Thank you.